Hello everybody, my name is Benny Pagan, and this is Benny's Kitchen. Because my name is Benny and it's my kitchen. And can we cut that? No? Keep going? Alright. Anyway, last couple videos I've been trying to eat a little healthier because, you know, I'm concerned. I'm reaching 40 years old and I don't want to be this big at 40. I want to be healthier. Anyway, I'm a big snacker, and not all snacks are healthy. But the other day I did this snack, which is pretty awesome. It's also used as a side dish. It's very big within vegetarians. It's Middle Eastern, and it's Baba Ganoush, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Don't miss it.
Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications.
So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be needing 2 medium-sized eggplants. Medium-sized because the smaller the eggplant, the less seeds it has, and the seeds tend to be a little bitter. So the smaller it is, less seeds, less bitter, right? We'll be needing a lime, a couple garlic cloves. This is tahini. We'll just need a tablespoon of tahini, a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, a couple olives. This is just for garnishing purposes. Some smoked paprika, also for garnishing, and some extra virgin olive oil, also for garnishing. All right, so we have preheated our oven to 400 degrees. And before we stick our eggplants in there, we want to poke some holes in it. Just a couple. Because this is going to be cooking from the inside out. And it obviously has some liquid inside. And we don't want it to burst, right? So let's go ahead and pop those in. there we got it, guys. Very easy, very quick, and very tasty. Now you could enjoy this with crackers, with pita chips, pita bread, or keep it healthy with a carrot. Nah, I'm just playing. It's amazing. You guys gotta try this one. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking, keep eating.